Okay, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this transforming presentational workflow called Plus AI. So let's quickly dive into it. Plus AI is transforming presentation workflow in 2025 by bringing AI directly into Google Slide and PowerPoint. It can generate full text for prompt, convert document into slides, and also reformat or rewrite content with just a single click. With built-in branding support, it helps teams keep presentation consistent in styles while saving hours of manual design work. For professionals who live in this platform, the seamless integration also make it a game changer for everybody. Talking about the drawback are still that AI generated content can feel generic, so polishing is often required to add personality and depth. Many advanced features also sit behind paid plan, and users are still limited by design flexibility or slide and PowerPoint themselves. Still, for speed, consistency, and workflow efficiency, Plus AI stand out as one of the best presentation tools this year. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. You're welcome.